Who is Linville? Linville Land Development Corporation is an award-winning real estate developer recognized as Pag-ibig's #1 developer in Southern Tagalog from 2015 to 2017 as well as 2019 to 2021. We are also Pag-ibig's #3 developer in Southern Tagalog from 2022 to 2024. We are also ranked among the top 10 developers nationwide multiple times. Also a consistent DSUD awardee since 2022. A testament to our dedication to build quality, affordable homes that uplift Filipino families. Mula Laguna, Batangas hanggang Cavite, Linville builds communities that bring security and happiness to Filipino families. Ang aming mga bahay ay kilalang matibay, matatag, maganda ang disenyo at higit sa lahat, abot kaya. Our vision is simple: to change lives one family at a time by helping them make the dream to own a home possible. And our mission is to be the nation's leading provider of quality, affordable homes that transform the lives of Filipino families. Mula noong 2005, nagsimula ang Linville sa isang maliit na pangarap, ang makapagpatayo ng matibay na tahanan para sa bawat Pilipino. Unti-unti namin nakuha ang tiwala ng mga pamilya sa Santa Cruz, Laguna, kung saan kami nagsimula. At ngayon, lumalawak na kami sa ibang parte ng Laguna, Batangas at Cavite. At dahil tuloy-tuloy ang aming expansion, actively kaming naghahanap ng mga bagong lupa para sa mas maraming subdivision projects. As of today, we have built in our building 28,302 homes across 45 beautiful subdivisions. At ngayon 2025, magbubukas pa kami ng 5 bagong subdivision sa Calamba, Laguna, Santo Tomas, Batangas, Bai at Santa Cruz, Laguna. Linville is more than just a real estate developer. We are your partner in making your dreams come true. Dahil sa Linville, ang pangarap mo noon, kaya mo na ngayon.